Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we dive deep into the upcoming iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. While these models won't officially hit the market until September, we've got our hands on some highly detailed dummy mockups. These prototypes are crafted based on the latest schematics and dimensions leaked by accessory makers and case manufacturers. The evolution of design first. Let's look at the iPhone 16. I've got a bright pink iPhone 15 here for comparison. The new iPhone 16 maintains Apple's sleek and minimalist aesthetic, with subtle yet significant changes. Exterior features. On the exterior, the iPhone 16 retains the familiar 6.1-inch display. However, the SIM card slot's presence indicates this is an international model, since US versions have transitioned to eSIM. The volume buttons and the action button are positioned on the right side. Camera and flash reconfiguration. The redesigned camera bump on the iPhone 16 is another highlight. The cameras are now vertically aligned, and the flash has been repositioned to the side. This new layout may pose challenges for case manufacturers, who will need to create new cutouts to accommodate the flash. Introducing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is slightly taller, aligning with rumors of a shift to a 6.9-inch display from the current 6.7-inch screen. The iPhone 16 Pro is also expected to grow, moving from a 6.1-inch to a 6.3-inch display. Camera enhancements rumors suggest a major camera upgrade with the introduction of a new 48-megapixel telephoto lens for the Pro Max. The capture button is present on the Pro Max as well, indicating Apple's commitment to enhancing its photography features across all models. Performance and finishes. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to be powered by the new A77 Pro chip. This upgrade promises improved performance and efficiency. Conclusion. In summary, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max promise significant upgrades and new features that are sure to excite Apple enthusiasts. From the vibrant color options and redesigned camera layout to the new capture button and potential performance boosts, there's a lot to look forward to. Are you excited about Apple's newest devices? Will you be upgrading this fall? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest iPhone 16 rumors and news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.